Morning student, welcome in science class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 10, the solar system. In this chapter we will cover these 5 topic and worksheet 1. Okay, in this class, sun, constellation, solar system, planets, satellite, its type and uses, and worksheet 1. Yes beta, sky is very vast. And sky is full of heavenly bodies. Space always fascinated human beings, and human beings used instrument to see these heavenly bodies like sun, stars, planets, etc. The instrument is called telescope. Okay beta. So our first topic is stars. When you see in the night, you see stars in the sky. Many twinkling stars in the sky. Stars are fixed heavenly bodies that have their heat and light. And sun is the nearest star. It seems bigger and brighter because it is closer to the earth. Many stars are bigger and brighter than sun, but they appear very small because they are very far away from earth. Sometimes we came across a bright sky in northern sky, bright star in the northern sky, and that star is called pole stars. Okay beta. Now the second topic is constellation. What is this beta? This is constellation, little bear, pole bear. Okay. If you look at the star in the sky, they seems to form some patterns. And group of stars that form recognizable pattern or shape in the sky is called constellation. Such group of stars are known as constellation. Cluster of stars that form definite shape or pattern, that is called constellation, and these patterns and these constellation are resemblance to our daily life, our familiar things like animal or man. Like great bear, little bear, Scorpio are some of the examples, some of the constellation. Okay beta. Third topic, solar system. Sun's family is known as solar system. Sun, its 8 planet and satellite form solar system. Okay. Sun is in earth, is in the center, and other planets revolve around the sun. Sun is the center and all the planets revolve around the sun. Okay beta. Sun, like the planets are, the 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The surface of the sun is made up of hydrogen gas, and this hydrogen gas burn and give us heat and light. Okay, that is why sun gives us heat and light. Okay beta. Planets. Planets are the heavenly bodies that move around the sun. There are 8 planets. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune. And these all the planets move around the sun. Planets do not have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun that fall on them. Okay, planets do not have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun. There are 8 planets, and Pluto was, earlier there was 9 planets. Now Pluto was considered as a dwarf planet. It is considered as a 9th planet. Now it is no longer considered as a planet. It is a dwarf planet. So now there are 8 planets, that Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune. Now satellite. Satellite क्या होता है बेटा? Heavenly bodies that revolve around the planet. ठीक है? The heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun, that is called planet, and heavenly bodies that revolve around the planet, that is called satellite. Okay, and satellite are of 2 types, natural and artificial. Natural satellite, the natural object that revolve around the planet. ठीक है? That is moon. that is called natural satellite, or artificial satellite beta, the man-made satellite that are sent to orbit around the earth are known as artificial satellite. Example of natural satellite is moon, and artificial satellite are Sputnik 1, that was the first man-made satellite launched by USSR. Okay, and some other artificial satellites are that Aryabhat was the first satellite that is launched by India, and some other Indian satellite are Insect I-1A, Rohini and Bhaskara. These are the example of artificial satellite, and natural satellite, the example is moon. Okay, artificial satellite Sputnik 1 was the first man-made satellite that is launched by USSR, and Indian artificial satellite are Bhaskara, Rohini, Aryabhatta and Insect 1A. Now, how satellite help us? As we know that beta, satellite are the heavenly bodies that move around the planet. Okay, so satellite orbit around the, move around the planet in a definite orbit, and these satellite give us lot of information about space. फर्स्ट क्या है इंफॉर्मेशन बेटा इसकी? इट हेल्प इन वेदर फोरकास्टिंग. सैटेलाइट हेल्प इन वेदर फोरकास्टिंग. Weather forecasting help us by forecasting weather, floods, forest fire and glaciers. Second है communication satellite. Communication satellite. Communication satellite helps us in communication through mobiles. Okay, and many of our favorite programs on television are also broadcast with the help of this satellite. So uses of this satellite help us by weather forecasting, by giving the detail, by giving help us by forecasting flood, weather, forest fire, by communication through mobiles, and the TV programs on television are also broadcast with the help of satellite. Okay beta. So you just read page number 110 and 111. Thank you. Have a nice day.